to my channel. For those of you that are new, welcome. It's your girl here, Nancy, bringing you some new stuff, some 2020 stuff. I know the year's crazy. Happy 2020, but we're here for it. We're still gonna continue, we're still gonna stay uplifted, and we're just gonna do what we gotta do. This video is gonna be completely different than what I've done previously. I'm gonna be doing a review. I can't speak right now. Oh, that's weird. Okay. I'm gonna be reviewing the CHIC Beauty Box subscription box. I really wanted to try out a subscription box because I'm always buying makeup. Like, Sephora's always thieving my money and I'm over it. And I just wanted to try something where I can try a lot of different brands and products without having to spend so much coin. And I'm really happy about this particular one because they offer 4 to 5 full-size products. And it's only like every other month. So this is perfect because then I don't feel as bad, and it just, like, I don't feel as bad ordering it. So yeah, let's just see what I got this month. This is the, what month is this? March? Okay, the March and April month. I kind of like hopped on the bandwagon a little bit late, but I'm here now. I'm here to stay. So this is $34.99 monthly, and for my Canadian girls it's about $50 monthly, bi-monthly. So about $50 bi-monthly, which honestly it's a steal, because considering that I spend about like $50 is like a foundation, like a really good foundation is like $50. So 4 to 5 products, that is not bad. Let's see what this baby has to, okay, maybe I shouldn't be shaking it, but like, let's see what this baby has to offer. So you get this card right here that's included in the box, and this has a price breakdown of everything in the box. And there's actually 2 variations that you could have gotten. I think the difference was either the Fenty sponge or the Bare Minerals brush. I chose the sponge because, honey, I'm a sponge girl. This Fenty Beauty makeup sponge came out. I really wanted to try it, but I didn't want to spend the coin because I already got a new beauty blender. So I'm so happy that this was part of it. Take a look right here. It retails for $16, so this is a steal considering that I only spent $34 for all of this. This is already more than half of the price, and it's just one product. Mind you, I got 5 products. It's definitely a steal. I'm super excited to use this, and I'm actually gonna use it to complete today's look. Let me check out what else is part of this box. I also got this Smashbox photo edit eyeshadow trio. It's an eyeshadow, like a little cute eyeshadow palette. This is super cute, and I absolutely love the colors. I think the one I chose, there was different options, but the one I chose was the It's Fire. I love the whole camera lens look to the packaging. This is super cute. Absolutely love the colors. I'm just gonna swatch it. This is giving me some sunset vibes. Sunrise, sunset. We'll see. The next product I got was the Revlon powder blush, and this one is the I can't speak today. Sultry Sienna. I like that. And guys, let me tell you, the color is what got me. Blush. Okay. Oops. I think this on my complexion would be beautiful. So far, I'm actually really loving everything I got. The next product is the Arbonne eyeliner. It's honestly, I really wanted to try this eyeliner from this particular brand because I heard a lot about it, that the products are really good, but it's hella expensive. Let's see. I'm gonna use a different hand. I chose the color Sage because I don't have any green liner. It's kind of like an olive green color. It's really pretty. And it has a bit of shimmer on it. I really like it. And last but not least, I got a MAC lipstick. Woo! I was so excited about this. And the color is Blase, all these French names. This is it. It's kind of like a nude-ish pink color. It's really pretty though. I chose this color because it looked really pretty on the computer. Let's see how it turns out. Anyways, we're gonna test this out. I'm gonna finish off my makeup with it. I already did my eyebrows and a light foundation off camera. So I'll use whatever is in the description box to finish off the rest of the look. So keep watching.
Oh, yeah. Call me Loti. Oh, baby says she won't give me love. Oh, no. Oh, yeah. Oh, baby says she gon' give me love. Me no one calling love. Me one sweet, sweet, sweet love. Oh, yeah. Oh, baby says she gon' give me love and sweet love. Touching on your body, open up. Oh, baby says she gon' give me love and sweet love. Touching on your body, open up. Oh, baby says she gon' give me love. She don't want candy love. She wants sweet, sweet, sweet love. Oh, yeah. My baby says she gon' give me love. Me no want candy love. Me want sweet, sweet, sweet love. Oh, yeah. My baby says she gon' give me love. Give me love. Give me love. Give me touch. Any love. For your love. Give me love. Anytime. Sweet love. Sweet love. Sweet love. Sweet love. Oh, oh, oh. Sweet love. Sweet love. Sweet love. Sweet love. Baby, let me close your eyes and make you feel alright. Make you feel the things that you will want to feel at night. In between our thighs is where she likes to feel my wool. Middle of the night is when she likes to scream my move. Girl, give me sweet love. Keep the temperature rising. Dipping out your ties, my ting is a rising. Rides or compact trucks. It's not Afro beats to the wall. It's not jam we go make them feel irate. It's not jam we go make them bibs them start to the dance and scatter the place. Just like how I just scatter the place. When you let me in between, I go make you feel alright. Sweet love, sweet love. Oh, baby says she gon' give me love. Me no one call it love. Me one sweet, sweet, sweet love. Oh, yeah. Oh, baby says she gon' give me love and sweet love. Touching. She wants sweet, sweet, sweet body. Oh, yeah. Oh, baby says she gon' give me love and sweet love. Touching. Me want sweet, sweet, sweet body. Oh, yeah. Oh, baby says she gon' give me love. She don't want candy love. She wants sweet, sweet, sweet love. Oh, yeah. Love. My baby says she gon' give me love.
Overall, I'm super happy. I'm super happy with the subscription box. I got 5 full-size, really good products for literally a fraction of the price of what it would have been. I think it would have been around like 100 and we said 122. I think I got variation too, so $110. But I got it for like $34. You can't go wrong. Honestly, I'm super happy. I love how this turned out. Love the lip. I even love the eyeliner. You can't really see it that well, but you see it better. Like, you can't see it that well on camera, but like, it's a very faint olive like look, but it's super cute. Guys, I even used the eyeshadow as a highlight and it totally worked out. Anyways, I hope you guys liked this review. I hope you guys liked this video. If you want to see more of these type of content, let me know. Comment down below, give it a like. Let me know how you really feel about this video, and let me know if this subscription is something you'd want to try. I honestly feel like this is really good for any makeup junkie that wants to try a whole bunch of different products but doesn't want to use up all your coin, because you get a lot of really good products, all types of brand, both drugstore and high quality brands for like a fraction of the price. So I'm super happy with it. I was able to accomplish this beautiful look. Got a nice eyeshadow, cute little palette. It's perfect for traveling. Got a nice lip color. You can't go wrong. I'm super happy. But try it out. It was a lot of fun. So let me know if this is something that you guys want to try out. Let me know what other type of content you want to see me do. I hope to post a lot more videos. This is just the beginning to many more. I have a lot more time. You know, this quarantine has me locked up, so I have a lot of time. I'm going to be posting a lot more videos, no excuse. Anyways, I hope you guys liked this video. Until next time, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.